Meaning of interlace.
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 Interlace. The term interlace can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to the act of intertwining or weaving something together. In the field of computer graphics and video, interlacing is a technique used to display or transmit images or video frames in a way that enhances motion perception while reducing bandwidth requirements. This is achieved by splitting each frame into two fields and alternating them in a sequential order. In textiles and knitting, interlacing refers to the process of weaving threads or yarns together to create fabric. In conversation, interlace can also mean to blend or mix different topics or ideas together to form a complete thought or story.